Hi guys, it's Miss Santana. Today what we're going to do is we're going to explore the CVCC word family, a new one. Now let's remind ourselves what does CVCC mean. So far we've learned all about CVCC words, and those were fantastic. And you guys are really good at decoding them. Decode means to figure out and know how to read them. Now we're going to add a new consonant to the very end of it. And we want you guys to practice trying to decode what the words are. Now, so the only thing that we're changing now is that we're just adding a new consonant to the very end. This week we're practicing the CVCC words where you actually have to say this last sound over here too. Okay, so I'm going to erase this for a second. And in our poem, if you have read them, or if you saw my little videos of my cat, Bruja, reading one, and then Lucy, my daughter, she read the other one. The word family we're going to explore today has the vowel of E. I'm going to put away the rest of the vowels. And the ending of, whoops, not that one. Est. Everybody say est. Good. So here we have our C. This is our V. And these are my C and C over here. So they're following my pattern, right? So we added, so the tic of the week is to add new letter to and change them out so we can create new words. So here we are going to add a new letter to the beginning, to the initials letter. We're going to change it out, and I added now over here these two consonants, st. Okay, so it's going to be est. So our word family for today is est. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to erase this because I'm sure I'm going to mess it up, so I'm not going to need it. So here we go. The way I came up with my little poem in the previous slide is this. All I did is I actually really did take these blocks and I played around with different letters, different consonants to put in the front. And this is how I came up with the name Hest. Everybody say Hest. Okay, so here is my Hest. I'm still following the pattern of over here of adding the est at the end. Then I went, what is that? Est. Nest. Here's my nest. And here is this is B. Est. Best. You're simply the best. Better than all the rest. Here we go. That's how I came up with the word best. And I really like this because when you guys are doing your research projects, your research topics in reading and writing, I'm sure you guys are saying, what would be the best choice? What is the best topic? Now you can actually write the word best. Okay? Now, sometimes when I'm really tired, I just need a little rest. Everybody say rest. Good. Awesome. Do you guys get it? So it's really fun to play around with this. Sometimes I came up with some nonsense words, and those were super fun. Here, look at that. Eek! Nonsense. What would that be? Cest. That's crazy. What would cest be? Huh? I'm putting an asterisk because that's a crazy word. Wah, wah. Now, ha! This is a fun one. Some of you might not know this. Some of you might know this, and that's cool. Jest. That's a real word. Ha! To jest means to joke around. So the next time you're joking around and your parents ask you, hey, are you kidding? And you say, yep, I'm totally jesting here. And yeah, that's a real word. To jest means a joker. It's to go play around. All right. That is, on the try it yourselves, on the try it, do it yourself part, I want you guys to go ahead and play around by adding a new beginning sound to the word family of est. Okay, so this is pest, la la la, cest. We said that didn't work. Okay, you're simply the best, better than all the rest. All right, so here we go. Try it out and make sure that you guys show your teacher how you guys are doing and rocking and rolling with your word families. See you next time.